Hi, this is Tukse, and today I'm going to introduce my homemade tea because this place is very cold. Yeah, this is homemade tea, and I prepare this tea, and this is sugar free, but still this is very sweet because I add in this tea. Do you know stevia, and I guarantee that it's fully treat your stomach problem, all kind of stomach problem like appendix and constipation, and also ulcer and gastric, also too much problem, and it's treat your vomiting. You know, vomiting. Sometimes some people uh, vomits. It's also it treats in this condition, and other too many problems it can solve. And I want to make it, give it a brand because it's very useful in your daily life. And I'm going to test my homemade tea. Yeah, it's very tasty, and I prepare this in dry part of Nepal, and now I'm in mountain part because my uh, big father lives here, so I brought some paws for him.